John Calvin, Institutio Christianae Religionis 1536, Episode 12. Ac diligenter, quidem observandum est, totam sacramenti energiam in his verbis sitam esse, quod pro vobis traditur, qui pro vobis effunditur, alioquin non magnopera nobis, conduceret, corpus ac sanguinem Domini nunc distribui, nisi in redemptionem ac salutem nostram exposita semel fuissent. This first portion we have translated in the previous episode, but it's necessary to give context for what follows. And, indeed, ac quidem, we must carefully note, diligender observandum est, that's a passive paraphrastic, that the totam energiam, the whole energy, the whole power of the sacrament, is situated, sitam esse, or rests in the following words, in his verbis, in these words. Quod pro vobis traditur, which is given for you. Quod here is neuter, singular, and nominative, because it refers to corpus, body, which is also neuter. And qui here is masculine, singular, and nominative, because it has reference to sanguis, blood, which is masculine. So the body which is given for you, the blood which is poured out, effunditur, for you, pro vobis, on your behalf. Otherwise, alioqui, that's an adverb, otherwise it would not make any difference to us, or it would not greatly help us. Conduceret here is a third singular, imperfect, subjunctive active, from the third conjugation verb conduco conducere. Otherwise it would not be of great benefit. Magnoperet nobis. Nobis is masculine plural and dative, as a dative of interest or a dative of advantage. And what is the subject of conduceret? It is this phrase, corpus ac sanguinem Domini nunc distribui, that the body and the blood of the Lord is now distributed or passed around, set forth. This phrase, as I've said, corpus through distribui, is the subject of conduceret. Distribui is a present passive infinitive from the verb distribuo, distribuere, which is third conjugation. Its subjects are corpus and sanguinem, which are both accusative, because nothing but an accusative may be the subject of an infinitive, and Domini is masculine, singular, and genitive. So the fact that the body and blood of the Lord is now shared would not help us at all, would not help us greatly, alioque non magnopera, unless nisi. Now we pick up the nisi clause here, which is the second part of the conditional. Unless nisi in redemptionem ac salutem nostram, for our redemption and salvation. The preposition in here with the accusative is being used for the concept of purpose. Unless for the purpose of our redemption and our salvation, exposita semel, they had been set forth at the same time. Exposita is neuter plural and nominative. Nominative because the subject of fuissent, and neuter because it refers to both corpus and sanguinem. So this neuter is summarizing a neuter and masculine noun combined. Semel, the adverb, which means at the same time, and fuissent is a third plural, pluperfect, subjunctive, and active from the verb esse. Now, what is the name of this conditional? Well, we have in the apodosis conduceret. In the apodosis we have conduceret, which is an imperfect subjunctive, and in the prodosis, that is the if clause, we have fuissent. So the prodosis contains a pluperfect subjunctive. So then what is the name of this conditional? It's a mixed conditional. The prodosis is a contrary to fact past, unless it had been, and the apodosis is a contrary to fact present. Unless they had been, then it would not be. Very useful to us. Non magnopera nobis.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.